Reserve funds get problematic for merchants for a number of different reasons. Usually it's because the bank and the processor do not want to release them. Global Legal Law Firm has been dealing with reserve withholdings for over 13 years. We know all of the rules and regulations that apply to the banks and processors related to reserve withholding. And while those rules and regulations don't have definite terms about how long or how much a processor and bank can hold reserve funds, it doesn't say that they can keep them forever and they can keep as much money as they want. So to attack these business practices, which unfortunately banks and processors engage in, which are withholding way too much money that can jeopardize a business, Global comes in and attacks their business model. We shine the light in the dark corners of the room that they do not want merchants or the public to know about how they're holding merchant funds and what they're doing with those merchant funds. They say that they're holding this for risk, for fines, for fees, for penalties, and that they've offset these funds, but that is not the case, usually ever. Processor and bank misuse and malfeasance related to reserve funds happens all of the time. And what Global Legal does is we come in and we point it out. And no bank, no processor wants their business practices questioned or anyone to look at what they're doing with reserve funds. This is a huge amount of money that the bank and processor, for lack of a better word, they get to play with. And they certainly are not allowed to do that under the applicable rules and regulations.